Show y'all where I'm at, man. It's fucking dynamite. It's with my ass, man. It's already started on my amp rack. I see a little shit I drew in it. Thinking about carving all of that out and then wrapping that whole part in like a black wood grain or something. I ordered the film, but that shit ain't come in yet. I have to film the fucking vinyl wrap, but it's some cheap shit. We'll see how that shit look though. Anyway, yeah, that's where I'm at, man. Got the inside all done. Suffer around the amp rack. Excuse me, buddy. Had to put my driver's seat back in this bitch. I tried moving this bitch around with a crate. I can still see my little center console mark up. Still about to transfer that bitch in some wood. Need to put my wires back. You know, all up in here. Gonna get painted with the door jambs. Still gotta take them door panels off next. Man, this shit was a bitch getting this fucking shit done. But yeah. Fucking got her ass. Back on the fucking donuts, y'all. Back on the fucking donut. I'm gonna do that wheel right after that one come out. I sent my lady to the store to go get me some more vinegar. Oh yeah, I can cover the whole wheel. That's the back side. Shit rusted, dirty as a bitch. Yeah, man, it's my little table I got set up right now. I got my trimmer, I'm gonna try to trim it out. I might go get me a little plunge router or something. I got a tight fit too. That's a nice little fit up in that jank. Let me go ahead and snatch this shit up out of here. I gotta take these screws out the front too. Couple them bitches. Oh, she's sturdy though. My hand grip. I can step on them again. Everywhere I go, I just got to watch. So I know I'm about to fucking step on his ass. About to set me up a chair. Start carving this shit out. I'll cut y'all back on once I get back to it. I'll be back with it. Rocking. I need to find a way to get some. God damn. I need to find a way to get some music playing out this jank while I'm about to cut. I'm doing the outlines. Came back over this shit with a Sharpie. Might gotta take this shit deeper for real. First time doing this shit. Ain't bad. With a fucking Dremel. Still gotta do this side. Shit coming along. I realized I ain't hit the record button in a long time. Ain't really been that long, but y'all can see where I'm going with the amp rack now. Still waiting on some more wires to come in. I done changed the design up about 3 times, and each time I needed more wire than I thought. So I'm trying to hide the wire as best as I can. Also got a DSP, which I'm gonna put right there, so I got to drill more holes for that spot. All that shit that I engraved in this damn thing, I covered it all up with the carpet. Fuck it. Of course, I still got the last 2 tires sitting right here. The rim, this shit is clear coated. Ready to go. I just need to get it mounted on this fucking tire. In my way already. This man was not right here a few seconds ago. I've been doing that, spending a lot of money on that. All that wiring, man, cost me shit, a few $100s. See, I got one of them fending walls out. I've done a lot of sand into this shit, taking all that rust out. I really ain't worrying about no body work on it for real. I just wanted to get the rust out and repaint it. A fending wall. See, I still got these 2 tires to go. Well, after I get that one rim in there mounted on that tire, I can put it on the front right here. Then go ahead and do that last one before it get too cold. So, see where I took that fending wall out. I gotta take this tire off so I can finish getting the front. But I've been cleaning up this fucking frame, man. Trying to get up under there. I'm sure it's gonna be more with me working all on this car like this, but I'd rather do all this fucking type of work before I paint the car. So got all of the inside done. I even got my wires ran. All my speaker wires ran from on both sides. All the way in the back, power wires ran, RCA wires ran. Just really got to put that carpet back down and finish sealing some shit up in there before I really do that. But that's where I'm at with it. Oh, I ordered the fucking front QA1 coilovers. Just the coilovers for the front. So I'm about to do this shit piece by piece, one at a time. Got this fucking gas tank down. I ain't really do no how-to videos on this shit, man, because I seen there's a bunch of them on this already. I should have did one when I replaced that fucking starter. But y'all see why the fuck I pulled that goddamn gas tank down. Like, so far, really all of the underbody ain't too bad. It's just the fucking frame and shit rusted as fuck. So what I want to do today, I'm about to go pick my homie Pat up, man. I guess he finally ready to do some fucking work today. He been bullshitting me for a few days, so we'll see what's up with that. I can pull them springs and them shocks out, get rid of these fucking cups. These lift cups. Bring the ride back down. I ended up putting the fucking QA1 coilovers in the back. Oh, I can get rid of all of that. Not worrying about these fucking upper control arms, cause them shit's cheap as fuck and they original. They tubular. I mean, I'm gonna get the tubular ones. Or them bottom control arms right there on both sides. And I'm really not actually worrying about this rear end too much because I want to pull this jank out. Put something else right here. fuck that is. But yeah, I can finish this frame. Get this. Undercoat the bottom. What the fuck is he chewing on? Priest! Stop! The fuck, man? Get my shit. I need that. I fucking need this. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. So with these fucking lower control arms in the back or these trailing arms, see how they got a fucking gap in the middle right here? That shit causes these joints to bend and just to be weak as fuck if you ever try to put some horsepower on this shit. So I'm gonna change them out too. Load that tank out, man. I got a lot of fucking more space. All right, back at it. We got a scary Pat over this bitch. And out this motherfucker. Man, there's some scary shit dealing with this motherfucking shock or spring. I'm trying to tell you. Some scary fucking shit. Definitely when I had them fucking lift cups. Shock bolt is broke. Out of there. God dang. I'm gonna tear this whole motherfucking car down in this backyard, bro. Gotta get my fucking tripod. And this motherfucker watching the fuck out the YouTube videos, trying to find some help. Fuckers don't be helping nobody. Searching all these videos. Most of the motherfuckers just show you before and after. This shit been a fight, man. What the fuck is that? Bro, I have no idea. Is my dog out here?
Nah.
My dog is not out here. That's probably the neighbor's dog.
No, I'm talking about you got the tripod.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm worried about the noises. Fuck the tripod. That's why I be letting my dog out this bitch.
You ain't got your pistol in it?
Fucking Christ. Yeah, shit.
Toss that.
Fucking shit out here, man.
Yeah, throw the whole red. God damn.
Bro.
This motherfucker
is on that, ain't it?
Ready to knock me in my goddamn jaw.
Oh, my bad, man. My bad.
What the fuck was that?
Why they broke?
Nah, some fucking moth flew in my goddamn mouth. Pack this shit up.
Yeah, wow. I already started.
Shit. Yeah, you can get that 49.
Got both springs out last night. And the bottom of both shocks. You can see the other side. See the spring on. Shock hanging too. I'm gonna pull these fucking rotors, trailing arms, and drop the whole rear end soon. Not right now. Gotta go to work. It's gonna be cold today, so I'll go ahead and turn myself in.